ever.
That one is definitely bright.
Wow.
Having trouble seeing it with the camera, but with the camera phone anyway. That one's moving too, it's jerking. It's jerking up. Hold my camera steady. That's that jerk to the side and back again. That wasn't me. And this is going south to north. It's still illuminated. Look how far away it is. Like way in the distance. It's jerking back and forth too. I can't really get it close, but I can see it. Look! Oh, that jerk. That wasn't me. That back there, that wasn't me either. Wow. It's gone way into the distance now. Bye-bye.